Hello guys. Uh, but can you just wait? Wait a bit. We're waiting for someone. Don't worry, we're waiting for someone. Yeah. Yes. I see everyone. 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 Yeah, except. Hello. How are you?
Hi.
Are you good?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
I'm very great.
You look beautiful. You look very nice.
Thank you. You too. You look
Thank
nice.
you. Hey, long day. How was it?
It was okay. And
Yeah.
yours?
It's tiring, but yeah, we are here. We are here. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's tell them. You wanna share?
No, you say it.
You say
It's
it.
your
Okay,
idea. So you have to say it.
no problem. So, people, listen and listen carefully. Very nicely song. The point of this live. Okay, sorry, guys. We're taking no questions. It's fine. But we just wanted to confirm that we are still together. We are dating, but we are requesting for privacy, and then further information to be communicated. We will communicate with you once we feel very comfortable. So we're still confirming that you're together with my beautiful Ashley.
Yes. Thank you, everybody, for supporting us and watching us and everything nice that you've done for us. I felt like this was obligated from us both because you guys watched us and you gave us so much support. And yeah, it would be so sad that we ghosted you. But honestly, we have to kind of ghost our relationship from everybody. But we could decide. So I just arrived. We just arrived.
We just arrived. We just
We just
arrived.
arrived.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
I like that. Yes, tell them yes.
Yebo.
So
Okay, guys.
yeah, guys, we're just confirming and then we are leaving. See you another time.
Amy's parents are out now. I'm
Lalela,
joking.
Ashley,
I'm joking. I'm joking. It's a
Ashley,
joke,
Ashley,
guys. It's a
Ashley,
joke. They must take
Ashley,
jokes.
Ashley. Wait,
It's not that serious.
wait. Take this one, girl. Watch. Huh? Transport. Yes.
That's not
Eh?
funny. That's not
How?
funny.
Or is it
That's not
fun?
funny.
I'm romanticizing, yeah.
Now's the time you need an audience to laugh at you.
Okay.
And that wasn't
I'm not
funny.
I'm not a comedian anymore. But it's fine. See
No.
you.